Today we are going to learn about the structure of the sperm. The sperm is the male gamete which is produced in the testes by a process known as spermatogenesis, which we have discussed earlier. Now coming to the structure of the sperm. Sperm cell is 60 mm in length and it is made up of three structures. The head, this is the head. Head region, then this is the middle region or the middle piece, and this is the tail, which is flagellum like. Now the head is conical in shape, little conical in shape. The uppermost part contains the acrosome. This is acrosome. Acrosome is formed by the Golgi bodies and it contains an enzyme known as sperm lysis, which dissolves the walls of the ovum during fertilization. There is a haploid nucleus, a prominent haploid pronucleus. This is haploid nucleus. Now sperms are of two types. One of the sperm contains X chromosome along with the autosomes, and one of the sperm contains Y chromosomes along with the autosome. Therefore, the nucleus of the sperm cell is haploid. Now, after the head comes a small constricted neck region. Neck region is the smallest region. This is neck region and it is the smallest part of the sperm cell. It contains two centrioles. One is proximal centriole. This is proximal centriole. This is proximal centriole and this is distal centriole. The proximal centriole helps in the cleavage of the zygote and the distal centriole helps in the formation of the axial fibers which comes up to the tail region. Now comes the middle piece. Middle piece contains a group of mitochondria, a number of mitochondria which are arranged spirally and forms a sheet-like structure. So this is the mitochondrial sheet. This is also known as Neven kern. This whole mitochondrial sheet is also known as Neven kern. Now the function of the mitochondria is to release energy for the locomotion of the sperm. Now after this comes a long portion which is known as tail. The tail is the longest portion of the sperm cell. So this contains the axial fibers and this is the tail region which helps in the locomotion, that is in swimming of the sperm cells to reach the ovum during fertilization. So this was the detailed structure of the sperm. The sperm is divided into three parts. The head region, which contains acrosome and a haploid nucleus. Then a very small portion is the neck region. Neck region is the smallest constricted area of the sperm. It contains two centrioles, the proximal centriole and the distal centriole. Then a middle piece is there which contains a sheath of mitochondria which releases energy for the locomotion of the sperm. And the longest part of the sperm cell is the tail which helps in locomotion.